grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something.
Hello, all wonderful people out there. My name is Gabi.
And it's here, the Chris representing Jamaica here in Germany. So guys, for today's video, we're here with our German chocolates.
Finally.
We want to introduce you all to German chocolates that we all eat.
Right.
I mean,
the other day we did do the snack department, some of it, and this time is the chocolate department, which is all my department.
So that means, guys, if you haven't seen that videos yet, please go ahead and press that card up there and go and check out our German snacks.
Yes.
Yeah.
And remember to share the video, like the video, comment down below, and subscribe.
And subscribe, guys, and hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so in for us, some of these are new, so that should be interesting. Some of them we don't buy that often either.
Right, they're totally new, but some things we buy on a regular basis. Yeah.
Should we start with this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Kinderriegel. Kinder is children.
It's called
Kids
Kinderriegel. Isn't that one of the best German chocolates? Like, it's such a classic, I think. It's just, I love it. So,
I like how they package, like,
it's so
and it's
cute.
just a little small thing.
So well designed.
Called Kinderriegel.
And it opens up so cute.
Yeah, good like me. Are you first? I first.
Oh, forgot how much I love them.
A lot of milk inside.
It has a milky filling.
It's very, very creamy.
And it's like milk chocolate.
And it's melting on your tongue and it's delicious.
Very soft. I wonder what they put inside there. Just some milk, huh? Some milky goodness, guys.
Yeah, and of course it's very healthy.
Very healthy.
Definitely.
Okay. What's the next one, mommy?
The next one, something out of my childhood days. You know, the package looks a lot different now. But it is the same. I used to love them when I was small. I remember my granny used to buy them once in a while for me, not always. But once in a while. I don't know if you have tasted them before.
I feel like I've tried them before, but I feel like I remember them being very sweet.
Yeah, they call Sahne toffees.
So guys, you all know toffees, right? But these are with cream. What do you call that in English? Cream?
Whipped cream. Sahne is whipped cream.
You sure about that?
Yeah, Sahne is whipped cream, definitely. And they're soft. I don't like the top ones that much.
Okay.
I like them because they're nice and soft and delicious.
So, let's give it a go.
It's hard to open, obviously. How you
wow.
open yours already?
They're really soft.
Yeah. It's like, we can just bite them if I ever get that chance to open this.
Yeah. It's so slow.
You don't like it?
It's so much sugar.
It's sweet.
I feel like I'm just eating sugar.
Yeah, that's why you only feel like them once in a while.
It has a little bit of a vanilla touch.
Caramel.
Ah, caramel, you're right.
Caramel toffee.
Has a caramel taste.
Right, your choice next.
Okay. Guys, these I remember from Jamaica too, because I remember some lady brought them from Germany for us one time. Do you know who it was?
No. Sometimes the tourists would carry that.
Oh man,
And give it to me. Like those two gummy bear.
So, they have different flavors. They have one with Coca-Cola. Then they have one with, oops, with lemon. Then strawberry flavor.
And the other ones, that's my childhood days and forever like.
Yeah, they're been there a long time on the market. This is orange.
That crazy about them.
Oh, I love them. But I also don't get them so often. But You know, for the purpose of this video, we got a lot of things.
Yeah, look at
Oh, and
she
this
is
is also really good.
lucky.
This is, what do you call this? Raspberry? Flavor? Okay, I'm gonna try this. Which one do you want to try? Coca-Cola?
No.
Lemon?
No. I will try orange.
Orange. Ah.
It's like a soft candy.
So guys, there are like 5 of them in one pack. They look like this. Guys, if you see these anywhere, you have to get them. I'm so
Once you open
excited.
them, they look like that.
Yeah, they're white, all of them.
They are more chewy than the ones before.
Yeah, definitely.
If we're gonna have a stomach ache later.
This one I believe we will. The other one.
I have to work tomorrow, so I guess I cannot say, oh!
I forgot how good they were. I mean, I didn't forget, but so good.
Yeah, I know you love them. I mean, they're nice, definitely, but it's just not my kind of.
I think I like the pink and the red one the best. Strawberry and. Okay, your turn.
Thanks God, this time we don't have banana juice, just ordinary water.
My trim, I still trim. But it's like, what do you call this in English?
Soft candy.
They had a trim.
But you have them too in Jamaica, like a small
It's like a
water
trim.
ones.
It's like a toffee, right? A toffee texture.
Yeah.
So no chewing gum. Okay, next one.
You choose.
I chose that one. You choose no.
I'm curious about this one. We haven't tried that one here before. It's a brand name, it's Nestle. Actually, stop supporting Nestle.
And that was brand new.
Yeah, that was I didn't know it's from Nestle. Okay.
Let me know everything. So these are like chocolate covered pretzels, it looks like, from the packaging.
That's what they look like from inside. The big one.
Oh, they're so small and cute.
Oh my god, look at that.
I still have the other thing in my mouth. Wait, let me flush it out.
Remember in the last video we showed you some pretzels?
Yeah,
So these are pretzels with chocolate around it.
yeah, just like that. I don't know if I like them.
I don't think I like them.
Because I'm so used to like them being without anything.
I mean, it's dark chocolate, so it's not the sweet chocolate.
Maybe I do like them. I think I could brand them.
Oh, your choice.
Okay, my choice is.
I knew you would take that one. It's Easter time soon, guys. So.
Guys, guess what? Here in Germany, we have chocolate with Jamaican rum in it.
Yeah, man.
And we even have like some biscuity things. Like, you remember the last snack video we showed that soft cake with the thing? We have ones like that with Jamaican rum in it.
Sure.
So Jamaican rum is kind of popular in sweets here too. I mean, not so many, but quite some.
I mean, you buy it down here like African, it's also crazy expensive.
Yeah, it's so expensive. Wow, this is huge.
But they're big. Don't remember them so big.
So this first.
It's like chocolate.
I don't remember these.
It's like chocolate sprinkles around it.
Yeah, and they're like mushy.
Cheers.
Cheers. Like I could squish it. So soft.
And that's how they look inside. They're very soft, creamy, and delicious.
Yeah, just softness with chocolate sprinkles, huh?
And you can definitely taste the rum.
I love any chocolate with rum, right?
I
Tell
know.
them. That's my favorite
That's
chocolate.
my girl.
If you all want to get me chocolate, any chocolate with rum, that's it, girl. And Jamaican rum at that?
You know what I'm really curious about? This one. We never ever even seen this one before.
Yeah, that's true.
It's from the brand name Oreo. I mean, I guess we all know Oreo, right? But I haven't seen this one before. Never mind this package.
Like crunchies.
Yeah, and I don't have a clue. I'm so curious.
So it looks like Oreos in chocolate
Oh
cover.
my god, they're so cute. Those little things.
Let me see. Oh,
They're so cute.
that's so cute.
It's like little children cookies for small hands.
Oh wow. Guys, I love Oreos, so this is gonna be mine.
Wow, definitely better than the other Oreos.
You think
The
so?
normal one. With the like something outside and white inside.
So you're saying this is better than the classic Oreo?
Definitely. Yeah, time for some water.
Ooh, it's a lot of sugar.
Then I get a sugar shock. Sweetie pie.
Okay, I know my next one.
Whew.
I know my next one now. So my next one will be, guys. Wait, let's move these that we already had. So the next one, we had this too. So guys, the next one I want to introduce you all to is this. It's called Milchschnitte, and this is so classic German sour chocolate. These ones actually go in the fridge, and we
Yeah, you have to
kind of
eat it cold.
we kind of started eating them before the video. This one we weren't so disciplined.
Yeah, and it's called Milchschnitte obviously because it's milk inside.
And they're so good.
You can say it's healthy too.
Look at how it looks. Packaging.
And we love them. They have something called Pinguin.
Yeah. So you see, like in the last video, how I was talking about how much Jamaican snacks are just But I think when it comes to chocolate, Germany is definitely better with chocolate, right?
Yeah, but Switzerland is good too.
I'm talking in comparison to Jamaica.
But I always used to like Charles chocolate. I believe that one comes from Trinidad, if I'm not mistaken. Jamaica has good chocolate too. I believe it's cranberry, or what is it? Canberry or something. Is that Jamaican chocolate? But the one thing is, Jamaican chocolate is awfully expensive. And I mean, in Jamaica, the cocoa trees grow there, so I don't know.
What it looks like from the inside?
I mean, you can get cheap chocolate here for maybe 49 cents euro.
True.
Right? And the price then it goes up like.
In Jamaica, what I like on chocolate, I like the Toco Loco. I like the digestive biscuits. What else do they have? They also had rum and raisin. Oh, love that one. And they used to
Same
have.
thing when I used to buy the Charles chocolate with the rum and raisin. Oh my god.
That's where it started, the love, guys.
Do
Do you remember the American chocolate? The Kisses, and they had some American chocolate in Jamaica too, but like I said, it's
those
American.
chocolate round things you can buy in Jamaica.
The digestive flat.
No. Then I go to the market. I think that we make chocolate here. I believe you greater than.
Oh, you mean like the whole cocoa?
That's nice too.
Okay, so we can put this to the side. What's next? So guys, the battery died. So where were we now?
Your favorite.
My favorite chocolate. Talking
And guess
about...
what? It's alcohol in it. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
But I like it once in a while.
Something went in the wrong.
Too much sweet for you. That's how they look inside. Then you take away this.
Let me drink
And
some
then you
water.
get that. And they
looks
will
so
give
fancy.
this for present, like, you know, on your birthday or anniversary.
You can't afford this every day, guys, but it's so good.
Ah.
So in the packs, they look like this. They have smaller packaging too.
Yeah, and bigger ones, and heart-shaped ones, and any shape one.
Heart shape? I haven't seen heart shape.
So
So guys, this is what they look like. So there's a small cherry inside in the middle,
soaked in alcohol.
which is soaked in alcohol, and around the cherry is just liquid alcohol in there. So when you bite in this, you get a gush of nice
Exactly, and that's why we can't show you how it looks inside.
Yeah, that wouldn't work. But it's hollow. It's a hollow chocolate with alcohol in there, and a cherry that is.
And it's called Mon Chéri. Oh, you're in seventh heaven. So what much is that now?
Oh. Can we get one more?
Nein. Oh wait.
Woo.
Too much alcohol is not good for you. So I don't really buy them here, oder? They're called Choco Crossies.
Have you ever had them? I don't think I've ever had them. Have you had them before?
It's so it's forever ago. Not something what I buy on a regular basis. Oh my god, so much packaging. Everything wrapped up in another plastic bag and another bag.
I guess they're easily stale.
Yeah. That's how they look.
Smell chocolatey.
I wonder if it's nuts or something.
So guys, on the packaging, they make it look like they put like corn flakes and nuts in there with chocolate over. Oh, this is good.
Yeah, not topper.
Not really. It's crunchy.
Yeah, but crunchy.
It's like cornflakes with a bunch of chocolate over it. So it's crunchy. And nuts too. Now I can taste the nuts.
So cornflakes for real.
And nuts. Did you taste the nuts?
It has potential. Some people wouldn't even think of a mix with cornflakes, like.
But I wish I didn't put the nuts somehow.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, killing me.